load after load of these trees to the burn pit. There has to be a better way. So I decided to just burn them where they stand. As always, wet down the ground beforehand. Make sure that you've notified the appropriate local authorities that you will be doing a controlled burn. Make sure that it's available to do in your area, and make sure the area around the burn is cleared out, so that way you're not going to do any damage to any other trees or your neighbor's property. These trees, I'm watering around, might as well be watering them with my tears. Planted these things 7 years ago, watched them grow up 12, 14 feet tall. Beautiful trees to block out the traffic that's over here. It constantly drives through, so that I wouldn't have to see or hear this from my house. Thank you, climate change. I really appreciate it. When we planted these 7 years ago, this was in our zone. It got so hot, even with watering and trying to fertilize and trying to keep them alive, this is what I'm left with. We got our hose. We got a couple of guys with rakes. We got a couple of gals with cameras. Let's have the last ditch effort and goodbye to climate change, and say goodbye to several $1,000s. Thanks for watching. I'm sure that you didn't find this very helpful, but if you thought it was entertaining, please like and subscribe. We could certainly use your support for future videos.